Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to request withdraw for your iOS device. To withdraw the amount from partner account, visit our website and tap on menu button. And tap on the partners section. Then tap on the registration and login button. Select partner login. You will see the login section. Enter your email and password, then tap the login button. You will then be redirected to the IB dashboard. Find the withdrawal section and tap on withdrawal to proceed. Before making a withdrawal, you need to register your bank account. Scroll down and tap on registration information. After that, you will be navigated to the Add Bank Withdrawal Account page. Fill in all the required beneficiary information. Tap on the Register button. Review all the entered information, then tap Register to confirm. After successfully registering your bank account, tap on Bank Selection and choose your bank. Enter the withdrawal amount, then tap Withdraw to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully completed request for IB withdrawal. Thank you for choosing IS6FX partner. We wish you success.